Hi, I'm Joseph Glover. I'm a senior business marketing major from Baton Rouge, Louisiana.
Hi, I'm Dominic Darlis, a mechanical engineer sophomore, and I am from Port-au-Prince, Haiti.
Hello, my name is Daylin Thomas. I'm a sophomore mechanical engineering student from Baton Rouge, Louisiana.
Hi, my name is Kevin Taylor Joel II, and I am a sophomore finance major, computer science minor from Houston, Texas. And we are
Cruzion Tires.
Cruzion Tires are self-healing, self-inflatable tires that will be made to withstand harsh conditions such as temperature changes, car wrecks, and daily wear and tear. The self-healing component will use building polymers and hardening substances to quickly fill in the hole within 30 minutes to an hour. A 5/16" hole only is the max for the self-healing rubber to actually work.
With the self-inflatable aspect of the tire, it will have a small tube that's linked to the conditioner unit of the car to each one of the tires. It will be connected to the dashboard so it's able to notify the drivers of any changes in the pressure level. With the self-inflatable tires aspect, it will have a small tube linked to the air conditioning unit of the car in each tire. It will also be connected to the dashboard where it enable it to notify the drivers of any changes in the pressure level. It will also be it will always be at optimal pressure.
In Baton Rouge and all surrounding areas in Louisiana, we deal with over 3,000 potholes. In 2019, the government was only expected to cover 1% of that total potholes we have. So the traction with tires in Louisiana, normally we have to change our tires from statistically like 6 to 12 months in a year. So you're constantly changing your tire at least 2 or 3 times a year. So we're including fuel efficiency and better tires with thicker threads to withstand all of the terrible roadways we have in Louisiana.
The distribution channel that we chose with Cruzion Tires was direct selling. With us being a new business and new on the market, direct selling would best suit us and would do more for us. That way we can get our own personal ideas and our brand and our identity out, other than having to partner with another company and take on their brand and what they represent. And also we'd have to give a share of our company to them as well. This also had to do with our target market.
So with our target market, we will be targeting Louisiana college students. So we had conducted a survey across the state of Louisiana, and we had gathered about 100 responses. And over those 100 responses, 97% of college students have a car in Louisiana, and 85% don't change their tires and would rather pay for an extra service for the tire to be changed.
And the reason why we chose schools in Louisiana is because Cruzion Tires in the target market, in our market, Sit Tires will be our direct competitor. And Sit Tires they're headquartered in Czech Republic. And so what separates us from them is we're local. Locals are more prone to investing in a business where they can see the owner, where they can see the process, and they know that it's homegrown.
And from our expected costs, we probably expect for the tire to be around $229 per tire, which will include the manufacturing cost, the materials, and also the shipment. And the tires will be made in Baton Rouge, Louisiana, of course, and we will have the tires sold in retail shops and stores across the